Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check spam messages on Facebook Messenger. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the lower right corner of your screen where you'll see a menu icon. Go ahead and click on it. This menu gives you access to various Messenger settings and features that aren't immediately visible in your main chat view. Once the menu opens, you'll notice several options available. Look for and click on Message Requests. This is where Facebook filters messages from people you're not connected with or messages that its system has flagged as potentially unwanted. It's an important feature because it prevents your main inbox from getting cluttered with messages from strangers or suspicious accounts. Now, at the top of the message request screen, you'll see two tabs. Click on the one labeled Spam. This tab specifically houses all the messages that Facebook's filtering system has identified as potential spam. These could be promotional messages, phishing attempts, or messages from accounts that Facebook has flagged for suspicious activity. And there you have it. You can now see all the spam messages that have been sent to your Facebook Messenger account. This is useful because sometimes legitimate messages might accidentally end up here, so it's worth checking periodically to make sure you're not missing anything important. You can review these messages and decide whether to respond, delete them, or report them if they're genuinely problematic. So you've successfully accessed your spam folder in Facebook Messenger and can now manage those filtered messages. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.